So just tell me about yourself and what got you interested joining the Sankhana and what is your educational background?
Yeah, so I'm Ajit Rakesh, and I have a background of computer science and engineering in BTech. So I completed it in 2019.
Mhm.
Then after that, I have 4 years of work experience in a company, in a data science company. So after that, I wanted to pursue further interests and had some deep learning inside data science. And I wanted to know more about how data science works.
Nice. So what skill did you learn from your Sankhyanas and data science courses?
So about the skills, I think that a lot of topics that are covered into data science, like for instance, machine learning, then exploratory data analysis, and also artificial intelligence with probably creating neural networks and how do you deal with that and all that.
What did you like about the course?
Um, so about the course, I can say, uh, it is probably, mm, it is like there are a lot of topics covered in this course, right? So that is, it covers from A to Z of the topic, and you'll have very good knowledge of what the topics are being taught here.
Mhm.
So that is what I liked about the course. And
And where did you see yourself in next 5 years?
for the next 5 years, I think my career will be into data science itself, because after I've done the course, I need to do a little bit of practicing now for the next few months. Then after that, once I'm fully prepared, then I'll probably go on to give data science interviews,
Mhm.
and then I see myself as a data scientist in the future job roles.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Uh, what is your best advice you have ever received in this, like in Sankhana or in that course also, like in that courses?
So the best advice I can say from the trainer, what was given is that, initially when the classes begun, right? So for the people who don't have a coding background and all that, so the trainer, she said, develop the code into a story wherein
Mm-hmm.
uh, you can remember the story, and then step by step you can do the coding, and instead of mugging it up, or by hearting the code or something like that. So instead of that, you can develop a story, your own, create your own story on that, and then you can probably develop the code along with that. And yeah, so that is one of the best advices that I remember.
What motivates you? Your motivation?
Um, so my main motivation is, I think Sajal sir is one of the main motivations I can say, because I've seen him right from the beginning on how much he has grown
Mm-hmm.
in this on creating Sankhana.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely, he has a lot. Probably I can say he has a vast amount of knowledge in SAS, be it SAS, yeah, I think data science and many other programming languages. So definitely, he is one of the motivations I can say.
What are your goals?
So currently, my goals, like I said, right? So the upcoming goals are going to be into developing my career into data science.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and then after that, probably I see myself, into one of the top companies as in a top position.
Okay. Okay. How did you feel yourself before and after joining joining the course?
Yeah, definitely. Before joining the course, you don't have any idea about how the course is going to be, and you have overall content of what topics are going to be covered. but you don't know as to what the course is like and how you're going to understand after each session is being held, right? So
Mm.
after this, what I felt after after this course is, is that the amount of knowledge gained is immense, and definitely each session is valuable, I can say.
Did you recommend this course to anyone, your friends or family members, like who
Yeah,
is into
absolutely.
data science?
Absolutely. I think to my friends, whoever is, probably going to reach out to me on where I've done the course, definitely I'll recommend Sankhana for that. And, I think it is a go-to place for any kind